Yeah, there's a tree covering the road.
No, I'm talking about your tree.
What about it? Oh, yeah, it did, didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is my front porch. Right about a foot. I think it settled a little bit.
Yeah.
It was definitely over a foot last night. This is freaking nuts. Alright, outside in the driveway, did a little bit of shoveling because I had nothing else to do this morning. This is what an hour worth of shoveling will get you. Most of the driveway. It's my front yard. Poor tree lost a limb, or most of the top of one of them anyway. This is just nuts. I have never seen this much snow outside of a ski resort. Check out my stylish boot protectors there. Trying to keep dry. I think I might be able to make it up this hill. It's not too slick. It's got some snow on it. Might be able to get some decent traction, but it's one slight problem, as you can see right there. Big ash tree in the way. On second thought, maybe I can't get up this hill. That sucks. How you doing?
Good.
Oh, it doesn't look so bad down here.
No. Hello? Hello?
Well, Main road looks nice and passable. The rental car seems to have survived.